Guys, nagre-record ako ngayon gamit yung Insta360 X5 at makikita nyo walang wire na nakakonect sa helmet ko or kahit saan. Pero naririnig nyo ng klaro yung boses ko. The reason why is because meron tayong helmet intercom. Alam naman natin na sobrang mahal ng mga external microphone, especially sa Insta360 na X5, X4 o di kaya X3. Actually, pwede din siya sa X2. And sobrang ganda nito kasi wala ka ng wire na gagamitin, hindi na siya sagabal habang nag-drive ka. And at the same time, hindi ka nagagastos ng sobrang mahal. Para lang sa mic adapter tsaka sa external mic. Kung hindi naman ng mic adapter, kailangan mo pang bumili ng DJI mic, yung mga wireless microphone nila na sobrang mahal. Which is, maganda naman yung quality. Pero for someone like me na naghahanap ng alternatives, this is a very good discovery. Ang gamit natin, intercom lang. Insta360, pwede tayong mag-motovlog. At eto, ganito yung quality niya. Sobrang ganda guys. Gumagana din to sa ibang intercom as long as may Bluetooth connection. All you have to do is turn on your intercom and then long press, making sure na naka-pairing mode siya, just like paano kayo mag-connect sa ibang riders. Sa camera mo naman, all you have to do is just scroll down, swipe to the left again, and then you will see Bluetooth. Click on that. Then after that, click on Bluetooth microphone. Since naka-pairing mode yung intercom mo, wait ka lang ng saglit at lalabas na yung T-Max or whatever the name of your intercom is. Click on that and it should say na connected na yung Bluetooth microphone nyo. Afterwards, put on your helmet and go for a ride. Kaya enjoy and ride safe. Let's go!